In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our URL redirect uploader in your store tools to batch upload a bunch of URL redirects into your BigCommerce store. To get started, we'll go ahead and click on URL redirect uploader, and you're going to go ahead and find the file that you created with your 301 redirects in it. Now, when you create your file, it must be a CSV file and contain two columns. The first column is going to be called from, and the second column will be called to. The from column should contain the relative path of the page that you're redirecting. So if the full URL is yourdomain.com/test123.html, you are only going to put the /test123.html into the from column. The to column needs to contain the full URL of where this page is going to direct to. So from is going to be the relative path, and to is going to be the full URL. So I've gone ahead and created a test file, which I'm going to go ahead and upload here. Once it's there, we have to map our paths. So the from path, I have my header field there called from, and then I have my to path. My header field is called to. So once I have those mapped, I'm going to go ahead and click next. If I'd like to receive an email notification as to when the job is complete, I can select yes. Otherwise, I'm just going to go ahead and click no and hit submit. You can then see the process in progress right here on your Store Tools dashboard. You'll also receive a notification here, import successful, in the notification center. And then if you go ahead and check your BigCommerce store, you will see that those URLs have been added under your 301 redirects. If you click on this menu right here, you can also see the history of the use of this tool. You can see here that my job finished 25 seconds ago and it finished successfully. And that's how you bulk upload URLs for 301 redirects using your store tools.